High Court is also asking tough questions to the cops on that measure, on that action taken. The High Court has observed that you have arrested a passerby. So the court, they're coming down heavily on the cops and the officials. Priyank, a person driving a car was arrested. According to the cops, this was rash driving. His driving led to waves being created that opened or broke the gate of the building and led to more water entering the basement. This was bizarre when it was first reported. Now the High Court also coming down heavily on this point.
Yes, Swati, we were the first channel who got this exclusive footage where we showed that how this particular SUV was spoken about by the student. Just by coming under pressure of the student, the Delhi police took this bizarre action, and certainly this has become a very troubleful thing for them because the court is also talking about it. What is being stated in the court right now? The councils have said that the building comes first, then the building bylaws comes later, which means that the kind of corruption which is prevailing in the municipal civic body is something which is apprised to the court, where the court is also saying that just by suspension of the MCD, JE, it's not going to solve the problem, but because he will certainly come back with a promotion. There will be officers who would have convinced him that, see, you keep your mouth shut, we will give you promotion in later stage when the issue settles down. But so far you have to support us, so far you have to go by whatever we are saying. That is a particular precedent which has been seen in the past also. So in the court, the argument is continuing that the buildings are first.
The court does not see the action of suspending somebody, as a concrete measure. In the court itself saying that a suspension is nothing because nobody loses their job. They in fact come back with promotion.
Yeah, Swati, and the court is once again reiterating the issue of the SUV driver being arrested. The court is talking about that you have arrested a passerby. How is it possible that a passerby could have broken the building and which led to flooding of water inside the drainage system? If you look at the visuals, Swati, which would be on our TV screen, it is quite clearly seen that there was a car which was moving along with the SUV. The car did not move an inch, but according to the police theory, a wave was created. The wave was such that it broke the building. I'm very sorry to say this, that this kind of wave would have been created in any amusement park, Swati.
Absolutely.
Children play with it.
The court wants responsibility to be fixed, because look at the latest input that we are getting, Priyank. Court now asking, you have suspended the junior most officer. What about the senior most officer? The problem is senior most officer don't move out of AC office. A very, very scathing observation. Updates continuously coming in from the Delhi High Court. So while it was cited, Priyank, that action taken against a junior officer, the court is asking why not against a senior officer?
We can once again play the visuals, Swati. The senior officials, they have against the kind of tantrum they throw. We are talking about MCD Commissioner, Mr. Ashwini Kumar. I was waiting here for him. I very, humbly introduced myself that I'm Priyank from Times Now. When I started asking him question, his specs were totally filled with small, frost because of... he was coming out from an AC. There were officers who were standing there. They were allowing the MCD Commissioner to go to the lift. There was a special lift for the MCD Commissioner. There was a special arrangement made where the employees of the MCD department were also told to stay at a long distance, did not allowed to come near him. He was having a PSO. So why these officials should be given these kind of extras money? What is making the MCD officials and the government to give them this kind of space that they can carry with such an arrogance that they cannot reply to the genuine question of people of the country? They are going to meet the student, but certainly the fact of which is being spoken in the court is certainly there in the mind of everyone, every individual who is facing this kind of civic apathy in the country, that the buildings come first, the bylaws comes later. If there's a break, the MCD officials will be very much there to take the bribe, but when it comes to taking action, no action is being taken. The court has also come out very heavily on the police officials officials' investigation that how is it possible that you can arrest a passerby just because you come up with some kind of theory. So very important development coming out from the High Court, where our colleagues have been sending minute by minute update of what is happening in this case. While talking about the other front, the Delhi police have already removed those protesters, those students, those UPSC aspirants who came from other portions of the national capital. Those students who are stationed there are the local, also waiting for the delegation, which is meeting the MCD officials. We know that there will be so much of drama and convincing a statement which is going to come out from the MCD. But the fact of the matter is that they have failed. They have failed miserably just for the public eye. They have given bulldozer action drama only for 5 meters and 50 seconds, where the MCD bulldozers were seen demolishing the structure which they have themselves made. Making a construction on this particular drainage system and then claiming that it was done by the owners. No action on the coaching institute apart from sealing the basement. There is an arrest which has been made by the Delhi police, and sooner or later, since it's a case which is of death due to negligence, you know what is going to be outcome after a few months.
Absolutely. Let's give a quick recap to our viewers who are just joining us on the broadcast that the hearing on this tragedy in the national capital is currently underway at the Delhi High Court, where tough, pertinent questions are being asked by the court to both the cops and the MCD officials. The court is asking why were no alternate arrangements made? What is the role of an MCD official? How come so much water accumulated there? Lapses are being highlighted in the court, and the court also questioned the action of suspending a junior most officer, asking what about the senior most officers? Also observing that the problem is senior most officer does not or don't move out of their AC office. The court also asking questions on the arrest of a passerby. What kind of system have you come up with? What action have you taken? Those are the tough questions that the court at the moment is asking the MCD and the cops as well. Priyank continues to be with us. Cup saucer theory, not scientific. Why did you not take up the issue before? These are the questions being posed by the High Court.
Yes, Swati, we had also access to a particular report which was given by the Chief Secretary to, but the multiple officers have given this report to the Chief Secretary, and it was compiled information which was later on given to the ministers in the Aam Aadmi Party government. This particular report is talking about that this area is like a cup sausage. The area is such that this point of the, Rouse Institute is the lowest in the increasing order, and certainly that the water level is such low that this could have created problem. If that is the thing which was already there in the file noting, how is it possible that this area was not taken into consideration? There is no standing committee meeting which has happened in the MCD. There is no action which is initiated.
Yes, sorry to interrupt you, but take a look at the latest which is coming in from the court. The court is, highlighting the larger issue there, pointing out that the city suffers from drought one day, then the city suffers from flood the other day, also talking about infrastructure, about the freebie culture. The court says you have to address the welfare issue. That's a big statement, or rather big observation coming in from the Delhi High Court. Larger picture is what the court is focusing on, Priyank.
Yes, Sati, the court is pointing out, although they are not saying clearly, but the court is pointing out that the government model which is working here in the national capital. You can imagine the party which came up with the largest margin of vote share in the Delhi Assembly then designate Arvind Kejriwal as the Chief Minister. Arvind Kejriwal, being the Chief Minister of the state, goes inside the Tihar jail, and the Aam Aadmi Party is thinking that by their Chief Minister staying inside the jail, they can run the government without the files being signed by them. Then they put the onus on the Lieutenant Governor. We know that the tussle of war which is continuing in between the Lieutenant Governor and the Aam Aadmi Party government. But the fact of the matter is that who's suffering? 7 electrocution deaths, Swati, within a month. 3 people lost their life. Innocent student who had come from different portions of the country, from Kerala to Telangana to the Uttar Pradesh, and the death happened in the national capital, which is in the northern part of the country. The Aam Aadmi Party thinks that they can run the government without a chief minister. Why can't Arvind Kejriwal hand over this responsibility to someone else till the time he will come out on bail?
Absolutely.
It is a well-known fact that sooner or later
Priyank, you confronted the MCD commissioner. No responses coming in from him when you asked him some tough questions. But now the court, the Delhi High Court, is also asking, is the MCD commissioner aware of the illegal shops, the issue that was brought up by the council in the hearing, also asking the investigating officer to be called. Priyank, for the moment we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue. Stay on with us.